This Ghanaian boy has taken a whole modern life in UK. I still stand right now. UK police is looking for this boy. There's a lot of Ghanaians who are born in UK. 80% or 90% of these people who are born in UK there, these Ghanaians, they have turned to gangster. Now, according to the information, this woman was reported to his neighbor that his son is behaving anyhow. But they didn't take it seriously, not knowing that this boy was up to something. Now, according to the police report, they found this mother, which is this boy's mother, lifeless in an apartment. They rushed this woman to the hospital. They found that this guy has strangled his whole mother's neck. The woman was fighting for her life in the hospital. And the UK police declared this boy wanted. Now, after some days, the mother of this boy passed away. Now, it became a case that it is this boy that strangled her own mother to death in UK. So as still stand right now, UK police is looking for this boy, this Ghanaian boy, who just take her own mother life. Now we don't know if this boy has run from the UK to Ghana. Maybe that is the only place he think that he will be safe. So you Ghanaians in Ghana, you are not safe. We have a lot of Ghanaians who have committed crime here in Europe, and they find to escape to Ghana there. And if they reach Ghana there, they'll continue the same criminal activity. I don't know what will happen. That you see your own mother as a threat, and even go beyond taking your own mother's life. This fine woman, this boy just managed to take this woman's life just like that. The woman that gave birth to you, you just use one day, strangle your own mother's neck to death. Oh, Charlie.